Hiya, Shelly. What you looking for?
I'm just looking for butter, but all I have is this heavy cream.
Wait, isn't that what butter is made of?
You're right, Skelly. I can just use this cream and make butter here at home.
Great idea. But how?
I'll show you. Are you ready to learn something utterly fascinating?
Does a cow say moo?
Let's get started. Today we're going to be making butter with just one simple ingredient, heavy cream.
And costume.
We don't need costumes to be making butter.
Please, can we do costumes?
All right. Happy now?
Way.
Let's go. Making butter at home is a lot of fun, but it's also a great way to learn about science.
Science? I thought we were just gonna mix some cream and get butter.
That's the basic idea, but there's a lot of science behind it as well. Cream contains fat and protein. The fat molecules want to be best friends and stick together, but the protein acts like a bodyguard to stop that from happening. By shaking the cream, it weakens the protein and allows that fat to form clumps. Those clumps
are the butter.
Bingo! In front of me, I have all of the things that we need to make butter. Heavy cream and a jar. All we have to do is combine and shake.
Shake?
That's right. We're going to shake the cream until the butter's formed.
How long will that take?
Well, it depends. It could be as fast as 8 minutes or up to 20 minutes. The smaller the jar, the faster it will take. Either way, it's going to be a good workout. Are you ready to get started?
Let's do it.
Remember, you need to have a jar with a tight-fitting lid. And only fill the jar about halfway up, so there's some extra space in there for shaking. And now we shake.
Shake, 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 Shelly, shake, Shelly. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, shake, shake.
I think we're done. Let's take a look at what we've got.
Look at that! You've got butter and, what's this left over?
The leftover liquid is called buttermilk.
Buttermilk?
That's right. Buttermilk is used in all sorts of yummy treats, like pancakes.
Delicious.
Or biscuits.
Scrumptious.
And even fried chicken.
Oh, man. If only I had a stomach.
Well, next time you're in the mood for a delicious buttery snack,
or a fun workout,
consider giving homemade butter a try. That's it from us today. I hope you can say that you've learned something utterly fascinating. See you next time.